Hello everybody, welcome to my Java tutorial for beginners. My name is Viprav and I'll be teaching you everything there is to learn about Java. A few viewers requested a beginner's Java tutorial, so here it is. So why learn Java? First of all, it's really popular. 5.5 billion devices run Java. There are many jobs looking for people that know Java, and Java is flexible for many choices like Android apps and web development. What every programmer does is learn how to use Java to talk with computers. Computers can only understand their own object code, which are a bunch of zeros and ones. What the programmer does is write source code. Here's how Java works. Java is like a translator. It converts your source code that you write into object code that computers can understand. What Java does different from every single programming language out there is bytecode. Your source code is first translated to bytecode, and then that bytecode can be converted to object code. Bytecode is what makes Java very portable, since any computer with Java installed can read this. And that wraps up our intro to Java. Next, we'll be learning how to download Java and an IDE called IntelliJ. Subscribe if you'd like more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.